Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw Etrade money. First, log into your Etrade account online or through the mobile app. Navigate to the Transfers or Move Money section. Here, you'll find various options for moving funds out of your account. It's important to choose the method that best suits your needs, considering factors like speed and cost. We'll cover the most common methods in detail, helping you make an informed decision for your financial transfers. Let's explore the most popular ways to get your money. Electronic funds transfers, or EFT, are a common choice, typically taking 1 to 3 business days to reach your linked bank account. For quicker access, wire transfers can move funds within the same day, though they usually incur a fee, often around $25 for outgoing transfers. You can also request a physical check, which is mailed to your address and may take several business days to arrive. To initiate a withdrawal, first select your desired method, such as an EFT to your linked bank account. Then, specify the exact amount you wish to transfer. Double-check that the destination account information is correct to avoid any delays or issues. Etrade typically allows daily withdrawals of up to $50,000 via EFT, but always verify your specific limits. Once everything looks good, submit your request and keep an eye on your transaction history. Before finalizing any withdrawal, always confirm your linked bank account details. Remember that wire transfers often have a fee, usually around $25, while EFTs are typically free. Processing times vary. EFTs can take 1 to 3 business days, and checks may take 5 to 10 business days to arrive. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Etrade customer service is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.